recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation, rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you, know you, know you, know you, know you what you want. Oh, what it got this, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you, know you, know you, know you, know you what you want. Oh, what it got this, put it in the song, alright.
Taking notes on my keyboard, what you bothering me for? There's a room full of niggas, what you following me for? Say the fucking sing along, so girl, what you singing for? 'Cause we blow like a seaford, my seaford, money, all rolling, big hot keys in the trash, they rolling, deep to the top, rooftop glass, with a handful of girls, and they all so foreign, bring some poison, rainbows flowing, light skin chick, first light from blowing, whole lot of bands, first light from blowing, flipping, they loving the crew, they loving the crew, they loving the crew, oh they loving the crew, oh they loving the crew, they loving the crew, they loving the crew, they loving the crew. Taking notes on my keyboard, what you bothering me for? There's a room full of niggas, what you following me for? Say the fucking sing along, so girl, what you singing for? 'Cause we blow like a seaford, my seaford.
I said, skirt, skirt, all niggas, skirt up, all niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well, promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour or two. I war with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better. Know you grew better than you do. Just call me looking for you. I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. We do whatever we want. Never gave you my number, I did it with you. Should never let you hit it, I split it with you. I regret it. You got a fetish, you got a problem. Now it's a problem. Oh no. Skirt on beaches, don't know these features. Big dirt on beaches, do it for fun. Don't take it personal, baby. Love on my lady, love to my lady. Dated a few.
Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Last time I checked, you